Hi, I'm Justin Conway. I'm a Microsoft Excel expert, and I'm going to walk you through the steps in order to create a drop-down list in Excel. The first thing you'll need to do is create your list. So once you've decided on what type of list you need, select a cell in Excel where you want that information to live, and then simply start typing the different information. Let's say that we're going to choose eye color, and we want eye color to be a drop-down list that people can select within this Excel file. Let's do blue, green, and brown for now. Then let's say that we want that to be the first cell that contains the drop-down information. We're going to select that first cell, which is A1. We're going to go to Data and Validate. Click Data Validation. And then in the drop-down list here, select List. Then in the source area, it's going to give you the option to select where you want this information to come from. Simply select the first item, drag down to the last item, and hit Return or Enter. Then click OK. And as you can see, there are now these arrows added, which is a drop-down list. And you can select the item that you want. Click blue, and it's populated into that cell. That's how to create a drop-down list in Excel. I'm Justin Conway. Thanks.